I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to create a scheduled pipeline in GitLab with the help of Jenkins. That is, we are going to create a scheduled pipeline in GitLab, but not in a manual way, but through the script in Jenkins with the help of Python and its GitLab packages. The prerequisite for the video to follow is knowledge about GitLab and Python. First of all, I will explain about what is scheduled pipeline in GitLab. Usually, pipelines are the top-level components of continuous integration and delivery or deployment. Then, what is scheduled pipeline? It runs the pipeline in a future or in sometimes or repeatedly for specific branches or tags. It can run the pipeline automatically for the desired date and time repeatedly. Now, let's get into the demo for how to create this scheduled pipeline in Python and also with the help of Jenkins. And this is my GitLab repo, and here you can able to see the scheduled pipeline with the help of in the CI/CD sections. So in the schedule section, right, you can able to see. So here only you can able to create the scheduled pipeline in a manual way. Like clicking on this new schedule, you can able to see it over here. And here you can able to give the description, interval pattern, time zone, and the branch and the variables and all. Now we are going to create this scheduled pipeline in an automated way with the help of Jenkins and Python scripts. Now let's get into the Jenkins, which is installed in my system. Both Jenkins and Python is installed in my system. Now what I'm going to do is like I'm just going to create a freestyle project. I'm just going to name it as demo-october-9. That's it. I'm just creating a freestyle project. And here you can able to give the descriptions and all. And I want to make this project as a parameterized one. So I'm just selecting this project as parameterized. I'm just adding the string parameter. I'm just going to add GitLab underscore token. If you want, you can give the default value, otherwise let it be. I'm just adding one more parameterized token, string parameter, and I'm just giving this project ID because I need to pass my project ID. And I'm just going to add one more parameter, which is string parameter again, which is the branch, because I need to pass the branch. That's it. And here there are two options to execute the script. First, I will go with just directly adding the Python script directly. To get this option, what I'm going to do is like I'm just adding this build step as Python script. Mostly you won't see this Python script. To get this option, what we'll do is like we need to add the Python plugin in the manage plugin section. So I already added that one, and that's what is coming over there. And I'm just going to add the script. Now what I'm going to do is like I have my script already in my repository. I'm just copying the script, just copying it everything and adding it over here. That's it. And I am saving this one. And now we will try to build this one as it is created with parameters, right? So it shows like build with parameters. And here I need to give the GitLab token because we need to give the token, then only it will be able to access our APIs. And the project ID you can able to see in our GitLab itself. Just copy this project ID, and the branch name I need to select the branch name master. So I'm just giving this master. Let's see, it will try to run it. I'm just seeing the console output, and it says like success. Schedule pipeline created successfully for the branch master. Now if I refresh this one, means it will list down the pipeline which is created automatically. And if you see over here, means you can able to see the details which are you passed in the parameters or from the scripts. So it is automatically created. Now the other way is like of creating this running the script is like you can just directly add the repository over there. Again, I'm just going to configure over here, and instead of the scripts, what I'm going to do is like I'm just giving the repository source code management, and I'm adding my repository, and here just the repository, just adding it. And my repository is a public one, public repository, so I don't need to give the credentials. If your repository is a private one, you need to add the credentials and need to map it over here. And the branch you need to specify, and I'm just removing this Python script. Instead of that, I'm just adding the as a Windows batch command, and I'm just copying my file name. That's it. Again, I'm just giving Python, just a script alone, scheduled-pipeline.py. That's it. I'm just saving it. Now let's try to run this again with this build with parameters, Again, I need to pass the token and similarly the project ID and the branch is master. Now let's see what is happening over here. It is trying to pull the code from a GitLab. You can able to see the console output, and it says like scheduled pipelines are already created because I write the script like for a particular branch, only one pipeline should be created. Otherwise, if it is creating for the multiple dimensions, we need to write in a customized way the scripts. So it says like pipelines are already created for the branch in master. That's it. So my code is working. Like what I did is like I just added my Git and it is pulling from my code and directly executing the scripts. That's it. So in this video, I explained about how to create a scheduled pipeline in GitLab through Jenkins and Python script without the intervention in UI. This will be helpful when we want to create the scheduled pipeline for each branch or for each branch and different date and time in an automated way. So in this scenario, those scripts will be helpful with little customization. I hope this video was very useful. If you have any doubts on implementing this, just kindly add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.